Hi, my name is Zeus Kang. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Husby.com. In this video, Husby University presents, I found a property I love, now what? You have your pre-approval in hand and you have seen several great homes. You have finally come across the one that you fell in love with and it checks off everything on your wish list. It's perfect for your family. Now what? You'll want to submit an offer. To do so, visit Husby.com and log into your account. Find the listing that you're interested in and click on Submit an Offer button. You will be led to an offer writing wizard where you will fill out our step-by-step process to draft an offer. Once you're done, you will have a chance to review the offer before submitting to the seller. In order to submit the offer, you will need to verify your identity and upload your pre-approval letter or proof of funds. So have that ready to go before you start the offer writing process. Once you have submitted your offer, the seller will have an opportunity to review and respond. The seller will have the option to accept, reject, or counter your offer, so have a game plan for when you get the response.